Why do tigers live alone? Tigers are among the most magnificent and powerful predators on Earth, yet their lives are shrouded in solitude. Unlike lions, tigers are solitary animals by nature, living and hunting alone in their vast territories. This raises an intriguing question. Why do tigers prefer a solitary lifestyle instead of forming social groups? In this 15-minute exploration, we will uncover the reasons behind this solitary behavior, focusing on their biology, behavior, and survival strategies. The solitary nature of tigers. Tigers are apex predators that dominate their ecosystems, and their solitary nature is deeply ingrained in their biology. Unlike lions, which are social animals forming prides, tigers have evolved to live and thrive alone. This behavior is primarily driven by their need for large territories and an ample food supply. Tigers are carnivores that rely on stealth and power to hunt, and solitary living helps them avoid competition for resources. Sharing territory with other tigers would mean sharing prey, which could jeopardize their survival. Their solitary nature also extends to their hunting strategies. Tigers are ambush predators that rely on stealth and surprise to catch their prey. Hunting in groups, like lions, would make it harder for tigers to remain undetected, diminishing their chances of a successful kill. This is why tigers have adapted to be solitary hunters, ensuring they maximize their hunting efficiency and success. The role of territory. One of the key reasons tigers live alone is their territorial behavior. Each tiger requires a vast territory to sustain its dietary needs, and these territories can range from 20 to 400 square kilometers, depending on the availability of prey and habitat quality. Male tigers typically claim larger territories that overlap with the territories of several females, allowing them to mate. Female tigers, on the other hand, have smaller territories that they fiercely defend to protect their cubs and ensure a steady supply of food. The need for such large territories is another reason why tigers cannot afford to live in groups. If multiple tigers were to share the same area, the resources within that territory would quickly deplete, leading to starvation and conflict. By living alone, tigers can maintain exclusive access to their hunting grounds, ensuring their survival and the survival of their offspring. Mating and solitude. Tigers only come together for brief periods during mating season. When a female tiger is in estrus, she will leave scent marks and vocalize to attract potential mates. Male tigers will follow these signals and compete for the opportunity to mate with the female. Once mating is complete, the male and female part ways, and the female raises the cubs on her own. This short-lived interaction during mating highlights another reason for the solitary nature of tigers. Unlike lions, where males play a role in defending the pride, male tigers have no involvement in raising their cubs. This independence allows tigers to focus on their individual survival and reproductive success without the added responsibility of group dynamics. Cubs and their journey to independence. After giving birth, a tigress raises her cubs alone, teaching them essential survival skills such as hunting and defending themselves. The cubs stay with their mother for about 2 years before venturing out to establish their own territories. During this time, they learn how to hunt and navigate their environment. Once the cubs reach maturity, they leave their mother and begin their solitary lives. Male cubs often travel long distances to find unclaimed territory, while females may settle closer to their mother's range. This dispersal is crucial for maintaining genetic diversity and preventing competition for resources within a family group. Survival and competition. Living alone also minimizes competition and conflict among tigers. In the wild, competition for food, mates, and territory can be fierce, and solitary living reduces the likelihood of direct confrontations. While tigers are solitary, they are not entirely antisocial. They communicate with one another through scent markings, vocalizations, and visual signals to establish boundaries and avoid unnecessary conflicts. For example, a tiger may mark its territory by scratching trees or spraying scent to signal its presence to other tigers. These signals act as a form of long-distance communication, allowing tigers to coexist within the same landscape without frequent direct encounters. Human impact and habitat loss. The solitary nature of tigers is also influenced by external factors such as habitat loss and human activities. As forests are destroyed for agriculture, logging, and urban development, tigers are forced into smaller, fragmented territories. This increases the likelihood of human-tiger conflicts and reduces the availability of prey. Despite these challenges, tigers remain resilient, adapting to their changing environments while maintaining their solitary lifestyle. Conservation efforts, such as the establishment of protected reserves and wildlife corridors, are crucial for preserving their habitats and ensuring their survival in the wild. Tigers live alone because it is the most effective strategy for their survival. Their solitary nature is shaped by their need for large territories, hunting efficiency, and avoidance of competition. While they may seem lonely, this lifestyle has allowed tigers to thrive as apex predators for thousands of years. By understanding and respecting their solitary nature, we can better appreciate the uniqueness of tigers and the vital role they play in their ecosystems. Through conservation efforts and a commitment to protecting their habitats, we can ensure that these majestic creatures continue to roam the wild for generations to come.